Hi, and welcome to this channel where I teach science and scientific communication. I also help candidates struggling to secure scholarships either locally in their home countries or internationally abroad succeed without difficulties. I'm Dr. Andrew Terhemen Tyowua, and if you want to reach out to me, you can do so using the email address displayed here on the screen. To help with scholarship application, I have created a course, How to Make a Strong and Competitive Postgraduate Scholarship Application. The link to the course is in the video description. I encourage you to take it, as it contains everything you need to know and do to prepare strong and competitive applications for scholarship and consequently increase your chances of success. In today's video, I'd like to talk about the best scholarship. A couple of days ago, a candidate reached out and asked me what is the best scholarship they should be applying for. I wouldn't say there is the best scholarship out there for people to apply. I know there are a couple of prestigious scholarships, but scholarships around the world are aimed to achieve the same purpose. The aim is to support candidates in certain categories advance their education, either for master's or for PhD. So scholarships will typically cover a flight ticket if it's abroad, accommodation wherever you are having the scholarship, either locally in your home country or abroad. There is that accommodation support there. Subsistence, that is money that is going to help you buy food, buy clothes, and other necessary things you need to survive. Research costs, tuition fee, basically many scholarships cover this. Although the amount of money might be slightly higher across various scholarships, but they typically cover these things. So there is nothing really like the best scholarship somebody needs to be applying for. Prestigious scholarships like Commonwealth, Marie Curie, and a couple of other scholarships. I don't want to list all the scholarships in the world, just to give a few examples. They add additional flavor to your CV when you finish the program and graduate by helping you stand out from other candidates when you apply for jobs. But that is not to say those who secure other forms of scholarships are uncompetitive. The key to being competitive is the skills you have developed during your training, master's or PhD. So there is nothing really like the best scholarship. Any scholarship that is going to support you advance your educational career is a good scholarship you should be going for. So on this note, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. If you have, thank you. Share this video with other members of your group, maybe people you know that are into scholarship application or are looking for scholarships. Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know your experience with scholarship application. And thank you and bye for now.